Hey guys, and welcome back to Sam Gates. Today we are going to do some more blocking of Windows updates. If you have a Acer Aspire 7551 like I do, it's pretty problematic with Windows 10. So I've installed Windows 10 probably 4 times since last night to today, trying to get this machine to run Windows 10. What I found out along the journey was that you need to just not update. So I'm making a couple of videos on how to disable the updates, block them, to disrupt them. And so this one here will be into the group setting, the group policy. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is type in system information to make sure you are running a Windows 10 Pro or equivalent. Next thing we're going to do, once you see that it is Pro or equivalent, we are going to open the Run app and type in gpedit.msc. If you can see it there on the screen. And click OK. And the screen will pop up. And to the left, we are going to find administrative templates and drop it down. Go to Window Components, drop it down, and look for Windows Update, which is right there. We're going to click on it. And another side will show us a bunch more information here. And we are going to look for Configure Automatic Updates, which is right there. Click on it, then right click, edit. Default over here, it's not configured. So what we want to do is click enable. And down here in the left bottom window, it is auto download and notify for install. We want to put that auto download. Oh, sorry. Yeah, auto download, that's correct. Notify for install. So usually it would be default notify for download and auto install. We don't want it to automatically install updates. So we can click on that one and go to apply down here on the bottom right. So click apply and click OK and close the windows. And then to check it, it won't work with my laptop because I've blocked updates everywhere. But you can click here and check for updates. And once you see there's a bunch of updates, you can manually update it yourself. It won't automatically update. So that's how you disable update that way. Don't forget to subscribe down below. All right, bye-bye.